So this is a letter from brother Saleh Abu Ali from Palestine. He said, addressing his letter to Hazur, that there is around 10,000 people have arrived or gathered in Palestine, and most of them they are Christian, and they were awaiting the descent of the promised Messiah or the Messiah, and they have also brought with them their camera and recording equipment for this purpose. And also he said that the Jews as well, they're a bit concerned, and also they have announced this concern of theirs in their medias. Also they've claimed that after a certain period the Messiah will also appear. He would like Hazur to throw some light on these events, please.
Is it a question or a joke? It's more like a joke than a question. Let them wait, and let Ahmadis also wait, and tell them in the beginning, make a white propaganda, none is going to descend. Wait and see, wait and see. And they can also tell the Jewish community to get ready to hang him again, if it does. Nothing is going to happen, nothing.